good. Today we'll do practicals of HTML chapter 4. Images practical we have done in previous chapters, and internal linking and link practicals we have done in first video of this chapter. Okay, chapter 4 first video contains practicals of internal linking. Okay, and now we'll do practicals of table tags. So the PDF file, it contains some questions. We will solve first question first. For that you have to start Notepad, click on all programs. In accessories you will be able to find Notepad. Type HTML basic structure. You can see in question it is given the title of the web page is schedule. This you have to write in one line, one single line. Now body tag. You can see here this is a table. Table contains 2 rows. Okay, in every row there are 3 cells. Okay, that means you have to use 3 TDs. In starting you can see duty chart. It is a caption. Okay, it is given the caption of the table is duty chart. You can see the first row, it is heading. So for that we have to use TH in place of TD, and for this we will use TD tags. So first of all, table. You can see border is also there, so you write border equals to 1, then caption in the beginning, it is duty chart, caption closed. Then after that you can see here there are 2 rows, so for that we have to use 2 opening TRs. Okay, TR here, then you close TR. You can copy it if there are so many rows. There are 2 rows, and that is why I have taken 2 TRs here. You can see. Now first row you can see there are 3 TH, so you write 3 TH here. Here you have to write 3 TDs. TD opening tag and TD closing tag. TD tags. Okay, now in first TH you can see in first row, in first TH it is written 8 AM, here 10 AM and 12 AM respectively. So same way you have to write 8 AM, 10 AM and 12 AM. Here you have to write Kevin. Okay, second row you can see there are 3 cells, that means 3 TD. In every TD you have to fill the data accordingly. Okay, so first of all it is Kevin, then Khushbu, Amarjit, then you close table tag. Let's see the output, and then you have to close body tag also, and then close HTML tag. Save file. Okay, practical question 1.html. Save it. Go to the respective folder. Here you can see this is practical question 1 HTML document. Open it. Okay, you can see the practical, it is exactly same as we want. Now next question. Again you open notepad file. We'll copy the basic structure of the HTML program from the folder from the previous example. Open with notepad, copy the code. Got it? Now this is the next question. Okay, observe the following table and write the HTML code to generate the following. Okay, so here you can see how many rows. Find maximum number of rows. Okay, call span and row span is used here. So this is the first row, this is second row, this is third row, and this is fourth row. Okay, in first row you can see the th is used in place of td. In first two th you have to use which, call span or row span. You can see it is spanning two rows vertically, that is it is row span. Here this is spanning three cells horizontally, and that is why it is call span. Okay, so here you have to write call span 3, here you have to write row span 2, and here also row span 2. And because of that the second row will contain only 3 TDs. Okay, because these cells are already spanning. Okay, so let's see the example. First of all, you can write anything here. Write students in the title. Save the document with practical question 2 .html. Here you select all files and save it. We'll write table code now. Table border is given, so we will write border equals to 1. Table closed. Okay, as I told you, there are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So you have to write 4 opening TRs. TR / TR. Okay, opening and closing TR. So see, copy it, paste 4 TRs. Okay, now in first TR you have to write 1, 2 and 3 TH. Okay, you can see only 3 cells in first row, 1, 2 and 3 cells. So you have to write 3 TH. Okay, and then after that you have to write serial number, class, number of students. There are some examples given in your book, you can try those examples. Now in first TH you can see it is spanning 2 rows vertically, so you have to write row span equals to 2. Okay, here also again you can see row span 2 because it is spanning 2 rows vertically. Here you can see it is call span equals to 3. Now save it, see the output. This is practical 2. Okay, you can see the output is proper, but span we will not be able to see. This we will see when we insert the second cell. Okay, so let's open the notepad and the question. So here you will find 3 TDs. Okay, 3 cells here in the second row, write 3 TDs. Okay, copy 3 TDs, then you write English, Hindi, and reach null. Okay, now see the output. Okay, row span spelling mistake is there. Now the output is proper. Now there are 5 cells in other 2 rows, so you have to write 5 TDs each. So I already copied TD earlier, so write 5 TDs. Here also 5 TDs. Save it. Now fill the data. 1, 10A, 35, 10 and 6, 10, 6. Here 2, 10B, 31, 15 and 4, 31, 15 and 4. Okay, let's see the output. You can use shortcut key to refresh. Shortcut key is F5, and here this is reload button. You can click on reload to load the page, to refresh the page. Okay, here you can see the content is in the center, and here the content is not in the center, so we have to write align center here. So once you write align center, you can copy it. Align equals to center. Okay, you can copy it everywhere wherever required. Save it and see the output. Refresh. Okay, now it is exactly same as given in the question. Now let's do the next question. Before that, you copy the basic structure of HTML so that we can save time in writing the program. So let's start with basic structure. This we will save later on. Let's see the example now. This program we have to do. Okay, it is income tax slab. So here you write title income tax. Save it. All files. Practical question 3. .html. Now in this you can read this. Table should have background color in pink. Okay, table header row will be this one, spanning 4 cells. It is written spanning over 4 cells and is spanning horizontally. That means it is call span. Okay, it is merging 4 columns or 4 cells horizontally, and that is why it is call span. After heading, you can see this first row contains an image. Okay, you can take an image, you can download it from the net. Then it is stored in D drive, so I will also download the image and will store it in D drive. Then set the space between the cell wall and the cell content to the 10 pixels and set the space between the cells to 10 pixels. Okay, so here the space between cell wall and the cell content, that means it is cell padding, and set the space between the cells, that means cell spacing is 10 pixels. Both cell padding and cell spacing will be 10 pixels. At the bottom of the page you can see there is a link. Here there is a link next to page. Okay, so here you have to use ahref to this page next.html. Okay, here we will count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there. We have to use 6 TRs. Okay, in first we have to use 1 TH only. In the second one we have to use 1, 2, 3, 4 TD, and then after that it will span in 5 rows, we will use row span 5 here, and then in every row there will be only 3 TDs each. Got it? So let's start the code. Table border equals to 1, and here it is. Table border we have to write because we will not be able to see the border then, and then we have to write background color. So we will write BG color equals to pink. Now close table tag. I told you how many rows? 6 rows are there. 6 rows are there, so you have to use 6 TRs. Six TRs each. Got it? In first row we have to write 1 TH only. So 1 TH. In 1 TH it is written income tax slabs 2017-18, and then close TH. Here we have to use 1, 2, 3, 4 call spans. Call span as it is merging 4 cells horizontally. So first row is done. We will do second row also. So 4 TDs in second row because there are 4 cells. You can copy cells every time. 4 cells. Okay. Now in first one we have to use image. IMG SRC double quotes. The image name is already given, so we have to use same it.jpg in small letter, and it is in D drive. it.jpg, or you can copy the path also and then you can use image. Here serial number, it is in small letters. Income range, and tax percent. Here this is the image that I have downloaded from the internet. The path you can copy from here. Okay, you can see when you will come on this folder, select here in the address bar, copy, Ctrl C, go to the file and then copy it here. Okay, the image name is it.jpg. Let's see the output for a practical 3. Okay, image is there. Image we have to make small, so use height and width. Height equals to 150, width equals to 150. Save it, refresh. Now this is fine. Use row span. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is spanning 5 rows. That means you have to write row span 5 in TD. Okay, row span and call span are attributes of TD tags, so we can write it in TD tags only. And here you can see this is capital and small, so you can write in both because HTML is not case sensitive. Now in other rows, you can see 1 2 3 4 TRs we have written. In that we have to write 3 TDs each, and we have to fill the data. So 3 TDs, TD, TD closed, or else you copy it 3 times, that will be better. 3 4, okay, 1 2 3 4, 4 rows we have made, and now fill the data in each. First of all, first 2 rows we have already completed. You can see in this row we have to write 1 and this, okay, 1, then we have to write 0 2 2 5, okay, and here you have to write nil. Refresh. Okay, the data, you can see it is filled. There is space also in between hyphens. Now 2 2 5 0 0 0 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Then you write 10% here, 10%. Two more rows left, 3, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 0, 20%, 4 greater than you know very well greater than symbol will not be visible. For that we have to use ampersand GT. I have told you about escape sequence, okay, so for that you have to use here 1, okay, and here it is 30%. Got it? The data is filled. Let's see the output. Okay, it is done. You can see. Now you can see picture is small, but there is space above everywhere. Okay, cell spacing and cell padding is left, so we have to write that. Cell spacing it is given, it is 10. You can see it is accordingly or not. Just check once again. Here in TD tag we have to write this. Cell spacing equals to 10, cell padding equals to 10. Okay, save it. See the output in the web browser. Refresh. Okay, you can see. Now it is exactly same as we want. Just check once again you have done all the questions or not. Yes, background color is pink. Table header row cell we have done. Then after heading image is in D drive, that also we have done. Then set the space between the cell wall and the cell content, we have done it. At the bottom of the page link is there. Link is to next.html page. Okay, so this link we have to put. So let's write in the notepad. After table tag, you have to come out of the table tag and then you have to write ahref. Ahref equals to next.html as it is given. Next page, close anchor tag, save it, go to the browser and refresh. Here you can see the link is there, and link will take us to next.html page. You can see at the bottom the status is also given at the bottom. You can see the next.html. Okay, so this is done. Now the 2 questions you have to do for the homework. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.